Hi class, welcome to week 10. This week we have a lot of math vocabulary that we are learning. So let's go ahead and get started. The first word is pronounced algebra. Remember, on L's, stick your tongue out. Algebra. This is a type of math. Analysis. Analysis. This is analyzing data, figuring it out, what it means. Break even. The word is break even. This means that you didn't gain any money and you didn't lose any money. Contribution margin. Contribution margin. Contribution margin is your revenue minus your costs. Okay, so that's the formula here. The next word is disagree. Disagree. Disagree means that you have a difference of opinion. For example, I often ask my children to clean the bathroom or do their chores a certain way. They disagree with how I want it done, yet it still gets done. The next one is called gross profit. Gross profit. Gross profit is your sales minus the cost of materials. That is the gross profit. Next word is net profit. Again, net profit. And this is the actual profit you get that's not including the gross profit that's been paid. So basically, your overall total payment that you bring home. Profit margin is the next word. Profit margin. Profit margin is how much money you actually made after you've paid all your expenses. The final word is ratio. Ratio. This is typically a comparison, or like, for example, if you're cooking, you would say, I need 1/4 cup raisins. That's a ratio.